Many customers struggle with gearbox failure due to shaft loads. They don't account for the load that will be placed on the gearbox shaft, which can cause the bearings to wear prematurely. In this episode of Stober's Power Tips, I'll talk about 2 simple tricks to improve your gearbox's ability to handle shaft loads. When sizing a gearbox, you need to determine how much radial, axial, and moment shaft loads will occur in your application. Some applications exert higher load factors on the shaft. For example, pulleys or belts increase the radial load on the gearbox shaft. If the bearings in the gearbox aren't rated for higher radial loads, it will put stress on the bearings or gear teeth, resulting in premature wear. It can even break the shaft. Another example is dealing with axial or thrust loads. Thrust loads can put stress on the bearings and seals, causing premature failure. Failure to account for shaft loads can result in poor machine design, which can hurt the OEM's reputation. The end user, it can also result in downtime costing thousands of dollars. Here are 2 simple tricks to preventing shaft load failure with your gearbox. First, ensure the correct service factor is applied to the gearbox ratings. Many companies have fine print on the load calculations. Ratings aren't the same across all companies. Some companies rate bearings at 10,000 hours or design their ratings based on lower RPMs. If you don't look at the details, you may design a machine based on ratings that don't fit your application. Make sure you understand how the gearbox is rated before selecting. Second, look for gearboxes that allow you to pick bearing options. This will result in improved shaft load capacity without needing for upsizing to a bigger gearbox. For example, Stober allows you to pick single row ball bearings, double row angular contact bearings, or cylindrical roller bearings for our inline planetary P series. Ball bearings are best for normal loads, while double row angular contact bearings are ideal for handling axial or thrust loads, and cylindrical roller bearings are ideal for radial loads. Stober's inline planetary PH series also has an option for tapered bearings, which are good for radial and thrust loads. Stober's engineering team has extensive experience sizing applications dealing with shaft loads. They will calculate the best service factor and choose the best product for your application. Our breadth of product and knowledge means we will find the solution that will last for years. Want to learn more? Download our free guide today.